2500 tick trap.
Madness. Madness. Madness, 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 madness. Good morning, my pants. Welcome to the stream. Sorry for the late start. Here we go. Good morning, everybody. Thanks for joining. Hope everyone's doing amazing. Market's about to open in 10 seconds.
$2,500 tick trap. $2,500 tick trap.
See if we get Big Mama here. It's a couple points. What a push. Terrible play. Or is it? Jeez Louise. Alright, I'm sorry. Second entry short? Is it worth? Bad signal bar here. Jeez Louise, everything's failing right now. Interesting. What is happening? What is happening? This price action is crazy. Or are we finally dead? What in the world is happening right now, pandas? What's actually happening right now? It's actually crazy. All right, we're trying this. I don't know what's happening. We're trying this though. Big reversal here before triggering. Fair enough. Fair enough, but still. Big reversal before triggering here. It got me. It got me. Sure, it got me. Came out break even on the trade, whatever. One more time. One more temp down? Last attempt here? If you don't get it, don't get it. What can you say? If it don't happen, it don't happen. Give me a nice push down here. Don't give me a reversal, please.
Target filled.
I'll take it. I'll take that. I'll take it. It missed the target by a few points and it pulled back on me. I wasn't really in a good position, but missed it by 2.25 points. It was filling the gap on the 5-minute of the regular trading hours. We had a gap here formed 2 days ago, and we made a beeline straight to filling the gap. Unfortunately, that's just how it goes sometimes, pandas. Like, we just don't get it. If we don't get it, we don't get it. All good. We tried. We tried. All right, sorry, pandas. I was eating. Thanks for joining, everyone. Make sure you scalp that like button. Let me say good morning to a couple of you guys. Albert, Emma, good morning. Luis, good morning. Oh, Sky, good morning. Bear Bull Trader, good morning. Day Trader, New York, good morning. Langer Schneider, good morning. Turtle Toes, welcome everybody. Thanks for joining, everybody. Sad news. Good and bad news. Sad news. Bad news first. Bad news. I could not save my accounts yesterday. I'm sorry. I tried. Market was crazy volatile, and I tried to save them. I just could not do it. And it is what it is. The good thing is, pandas, one thing, we got a max payout. We got 55K from that from that attempt, which is amazing. But it just proved to be too difficult. When you have a 30-point slippage coming out of nowhere, it just proved to be too difficult to recover from that. It's just so hard. Like, a 30-point slippage is just a crazy slippage that you can have. And I don't know why it happened, but it is, it's not even my fault. It's just how the market is sometimes. So 30-point slippage, could not recover from that. And, the rest is history. But pandas, good news though. We're going to trade TBT. And TBT means daily payouts. And we're going to put a pause on the $1 million challenge. Basically until we get another Apex promo. Yes, believe it or not, I also need to wait for those promos in order to stock up. So I'm waiting for that.
Trap.
And let's see if we can get a good promo of the next one.
2500 tick trap.
And I'll be loaded up. I'll be loaded up to the T's, you know what I mean? Kind of want to go short here. Do I want to go heavy here is the question. I don't want to go too heavy. It's just an okay trade. Small risk, I like it because of the small risk. Okay. It's fine. The risk was so small, it's worth taking, in my opinion, for a second entry short right there. The risk was very small in that trade. And even if I lose it, how much did I lose? Like, barely anything. Great trade. Second entry short coming off the 20 MA. Right? Potentially, like, trading range here as well. So we're coming off the top of the trading range. Super small risk. Good signal bar. It's all good. Let's try one more time here. Golly, what's going on here? It's blasting upwards. We're going to try this one here. Second inch is short. on the 2500 tick chart. It's already beyond this trend line. We'll try one contract here because risk is, larger on the 2500 tick. Okay, looks like it's gonna come down to a pretty. The reason why I'm interested in this because we had the two gigantic bear bars at the open, and I'm thinking perhaps we have a little more legs to go down. Just perhaps here. Okay, we're in. Okay, risk is kind of big on this trade. This is why it's one contract. But in my opinion, if it does reverse all the way back up here, then, trade is dead anyway, so. Trade is dead anyways if it comes all the way back here, so we're just we're just holding it. Hopefully a nice little push down here, a little continuation on these massive bear bars on the 5-minute chart. It's a little bit of continuation.
2500 tick trap.
No continuation is given. It just reverses on you. All good. It is the name of the game. We get no continuation on this massive bear bars. Like massive bear bars. We get no continuation. It's crazy. All good. You gotta trade what makes sense, and it has never failed me in the long term to trade what makes sense. It has never failed me in the long term to trade what makes sense. You know what I mean? I could extend my stop loss and scale in maybe once here, thinking like it's such a strong bear move. We probably will get pushed down one more time. Probably. And we can scale in once here. Let's try scaling once just because of the massive bear bars. Let's see if we get something here. And if he like shoots up too far up, then we'll just take the hit. All good. But yeah, it's just reversing here. Crazy reversal, pandas. Crazy reversal. What can you do about it? What can one do about this crazy reversal after these massive bear bars? Bam, bam. Happens a lot. These morning reversals happen a lot. Two strong bear bars. Doesn't matter how strong they are. They just have no follow through in the open. Like opening is 50-50. It's actually so 50-50. It's really 50-50. Two massive, doesn't matter how big the bear bars are in the 5-minute chart. Massive bear bars. Absolutely no follow through. This is how it is sometimes. The worst thing about that was I lost some threshold, which is unfortunate. Very unfortunate. And it's like, I'm not going to hold much further than this. 20 EMA is curling upwards now. Yeah. I think I made the right play. Just get out. Unless we show some big signs of reversal here. I don't know. It's just massive bear bars. No follow through. It's just crazy to me. We do have a second entry, third entry short, but triggers above the 20 EMA.
2500 tick trap.
Maybe first entries only. Right, every first entry is making new highs. Right, this first entry made a new high. This first entry is probably gonna make a new high. This first entry made a new high. This is technically a second entry. Makes a new high. Makes a new high. Blasting off. Yep, good. Right. I think I managed as best I could. I tried to get in one more, give it a chance to come back, break even, but it just went too far above the 20 EMA. 20 EMA didn't act as
2500 tick
support
trap.
like I wanted it to. It's all good. Here we go. Let's see what we have here. Gotta do what makes sense. I mean, when I see two bear bars like this, I'm thinking maybe a little bit of follow through on these two massive bear bars. But maybe massive bear bars hitting a support, never a good idea. Especially it doesn't close beneath the support. Got very close to closing beneath it, but didn't quite get there. When something races to an area like that, gotta be careful. Be very careful. Look at this. Massive bear bars, no follow through. It's just reverses. It's gonna probably fill the gap above now. I mean, two strong, massive bull bars now. Not two massive bull bars, but one massive bull bar. I don't know. Should I look to go long because of how ridiculous this is? Probably trading range now. I mean, the price action is good here today. We're moving. We're moving, pandas. We're moving. I mean, I could try. We've been doing it. Every first entry, okay. Every first entry is making a new high. I'm sorry. It's just too strong here. I wanted to come back to the 20 EMA before I try to go long here, but it's just coming off our trend line. Small pullback bull trend, basically. It is what it is. I mean, you're thinking we're going to the open without much resistance here. You're thinking you're going right back to the open, which is right here, without much resistance, to be honest. I don't know. Do I just buy? Buy next bull bar, just buy it. That's not a bull bar, it's a bear bar. Bull bar. I guess we'll scalp out a little bit here. We'll try. I don't know, pandas. We'll try. Could be a dumb trade. Could be an amazing trade. Most likely dumb trade. Golly, the moment I try to enter this uptrend, this is what happens. Can never win in this market, truly. Again, I gotta do what makes sense to me. I'm not gonna take a stop loss that huge, but Sean Bull bar any on high. Okay. Second entry long maybe here. At this point, yep, at this point, just let it hit. Wow. It missed my target again by like a couple ticks. Golly, it cannot actually ever hit my targets that I put. Wow, could not hit it by a couple ticks. Retraces too deep, and then now it's gonna hit it. I love it. Happened twice at the bottom. Happened once at the bottom. Happened once at the top. It's the name of the game, isn't it? All good, pandas. We're just chilling here. I don't mind. Little red today. It's all good. Golly, pandas. We are trading TPT. which means daily payouts. Daily payouts, pandas. Let's get those daily payouts. Let's get them. First goal, TPT accounts, is to make sure you can try to get 4,500. Well, for me at least, I'm trading 150K accounts. And so for me, I like to get 150 or 4,500. That's my goal, really, to get $4,500. And once you get $4,500, you can get daily payouts because you need a safety net. All these prop firms and their dumb safety nets, but at the end, it makes sense. I mean, in the long term, it actually is helpful because you need a safety net after you withdraw. You want some money left in your account so you can continue withdrawing. But obviously, these prop firms do it to try to stop you from making bamboo. Look at this pullback, and now we finally hit it. I mean, it's just the name of the game, pandas. It's really the name of the game, and it's just going to happen all day today, isn't it? We missed our target by a couple ticks. Reverses on us, takes us out break even, and then it goes the way we want it to go after a deep pullback. It's the name of the game today. And now we know the name of the game. We know the name of the game now. We know the name of the game. I'm curious to see if we're going to create a trading range based off this big down, big up. Or if we're going to go straight up and fill the gap immediately. Like the market wanted to fill this gap. It took 2 days to fill it. Amazing. We still have this huge gap. This huge gap. We have huge gaps beneath still that, you know, these are weekly gaps. And some of these gaps are Globex gaps as well, which is crazy. Globex gaps usually don't last more than 2 weeks, but there is a gap beneath that is there. Big gap beneath, and I think it's old. It's going to be 2 weeks coming this Friday. We have a huge Globex gap right here. In fact, it's, yep. This line here represents a Globex gap that we need to fill eventually. In my opinion, like, we need to fill it. Eventually. So sick. All right, so far all my trades have been a little wonky. We got a second entry long, but do I like it is the question. Do I like it is the question. I don't like it, actually. It's a good looking signal bar. Come here for a trend line as well. I just like the fact that we already hit our target. That's the main thing. Trend line, 20 EMA. I could try a good signal bar as well. Just gonna play some games with my heart, isn't it? Play some games with my heart. We just hold, whatever. We lose, we lose. Just one contract. I don't think I'm swing trading this. I don't think I'm gonna let it, like, yeah, if it fails, it fails. All good. I don't mind. I'd rather be quick and painless. You know what I mean, pandas? I'd rather be quick and painless. Don't tease me. Please don't tease me. Please don't tease me. This is going to hurt a lot more than it has to, isn't it? I'd rather just get hit here. I'd rather get hit here than like enter a trade. I'm glad it didn't trigger my my entry. I'm shocked because usually it does trigger my entry in those situations. Risk wasn't that bad. 14 points. Okay, all good. I knew it wasn't a good trade. Like, even with all the stars aligned right here, I knew it was going to fail. No, I knew. I had a feeling. That's why I did one contract. Today is proving to be kind of difficult, actually. What's going on here? Lots of
2,500 tick
here.
trap.
Okay. Big push up. Okay. Okay. All right. I thought about scaling in,
2500 tick
but
trap.
I don't know if it was worth there. The main reason because we got callable resistances. We have right the open plus a 20 MA connect this resistance here. We got big down, big up. This can be a trading range, so we could be at the top of some sort of trading range here. Could be, maybe not. Maybe my blast out here, but just saying there's some red flags. Be careful going long. Definitely turning to a trading range right now. Definitely choppy. Langerstein says Apex only worth 90% off and $85. Nah, they usually don't happen together. Usually what happens is it's just a regular activation, 90% off. But then afterwards, then they do like an 80% off with the $85 activation after the 90% off. Okay. It's just trading range right now. I could be cheeky here and try to take advantage of this 20-point range. I could try. I could be cheeky here. Lower high. I could be cheeky and try something. Top of the trading range here. Just get back to the bottom of the trading range. That's what you get for trying to be cheeky. That's what you get for trying to be cheeky, pandas. Trying to go short at the top of a trading range. That's what you get. Just blast off. Rips your face off. You gotta love it. You gotta love that. You gotta love that price action. If you try to be cheeky, you'll get your cheeks clapped. Exactly. Golly. Was that news or something? Do we have like news at 10 or something? Because that just exploded. What in the world was that? Fair enough. Fair enough. We had an OI pattern. I guess it broke to the upside and it just scalped out. My issue was I didn't have a wide enough stop loss. That was my actual issue. In order for me to have survived that push up, I would need a 50-point stop loss. This is absolutely insane. I would never do that. Okay, fail second entry long. Oh, sorry. Second entry long here. Maybe fail second entry long. I'll try fail second entry long here. Why not? Come back into our trading range. I don't know. It just seems like fail second entry long is the way to go here. It seems like the move is like this big up, big down. It just doesn't seem like it really is gonna do what it wants to do. All right, we'll go 4. We'll be a little heavier here. Feeling confident about this trade here. It could be a breakout retest as well, but the big up, big down is concerning to me. 90, 76. All right, we're in this trade apparently. Back to the bottom trading range, hopefully. We'll see. Might get absolutely crushed here. It looks like we're going to get crushed. At least right off the bat, the moment it entered the trade, it started reversing pretty hard. So it is what it is. Ooh. Hello. Let's see if we can get a swing here. No, it gets folded, pandas. Big bear bar, anyone else look, it's folded. And hence takes me on break even. Gets folded. If you have a big bear bar and then the next bar is a big bull bar, usually a bad sign. But my trade got absolutely folded there. And now we're going to go the way we want it to go. Only after it gets folded. Today's just one of those days, huh? All good. I don't mind. The thing about TPT is, I don't know. I think the fact that you can reset your PA counts for TPT, I just feel a little more aggressive. I feel a little more loose. I feel like trading is just, you can like, it's a lot more just free flowing. Absolutely stuck in this trading range. It finally goes the way we want it to go after it gets folded. So not much I can do there. I don't think I'm going to hold beyond that. Once you get a big bear bar, like if you're going short, you get a big bear bar and a big bull bar, bad sign. Very bad sign. The trade becomes 50-50. And I just get out of there. I could have held my original stop loss, but not interested. Just not interested in that. This ends up having a really big, nice push down. Unfortunately, I'm not getting a piece of it. It's just the name of the game, right? It's just the name of the game. It's just how it is. Especially on a day like today. Just a lot of chop, lots of back and forth, a lot of tracements. You're not getting any strong pushes. You do get a strong push, but no follow through on the strong pushes, and then the market confuses me at least. So you do get a deep push down, but like I don't know, it's coming right back up, so I don't know what's happening here. The forge and everything's working against me today. It is the name of the game. I know the moment I try to trade this channel, I'm gonna get absolutely burned. Nice big push down again. Now we're swinging, right? Swing traders are coming in here. Am I looking for a short trade? I don't know what I'm looking for. My best bet is to go short, like on this trend line, I guess. But it can come back up into the trading range up here. I don't know. I could try something like this. 20 EMA, perhaps. We don't seem to get it. Okay, we're in this trade, 20 EMA. Market just blasts off, of course. At this point, I'll come up break even because this can top of the trading range back to the bottom. Takes me out again, golly. I don't know. This market's really confusing to me. Right, 5 minutes strong bear bar ending on its low, gets folded. I thought we'd have a little bit of follow through. Whoo! I mean, I could try. It's silly, but I could try, whatever. Thinking bottom of trading range, hopefully at least. The bare minimum bottom trading range. If we can't do it, then it is what it is. I'm not gonna hold beyond the I'm not gonna hold the reversal here back up. Can't get to the bottom. We blast off to the top, but we can't get back to the bottom. That's an issue. Issue for bears. If we can blast up to the top, but can't blast back to the bottom, there's an issue for bears here. Big issue for bears. Can't get back to the bottom of the trading range, but we can fly to the top. Shows that people are way more eager to go long here. Just holding, whatever. I mean, I want to get back to the bottom trading range. That's just my goal here. If we can't get to it, that just shows that this is bullish now. This shows to me this is bullish. Right, like the fact that we couldn't get back to the bottom trading range just makes me feel like this is bullish now. Look, I'm not going to hold the reversal. Look at this. The reversal back up, like another push up. Very strong. I may look to go long. The fact we couldn't get to the bottom here, it's very concerning to me. Well, at least for a bear, as a bear. If you're a bear and you saw this, I don't know. I don't know how you'd feel about that. We couldn't get to the bottom. Feels like we're gonna break out to the top side. Big bear bar ending on its low. But again, we couldn't reach the bottom before. Are we reach the bottom now? It could be diabolical. I mean, the market could be diabolical like that. Why not? It literally takes me out every single time break even. I think the lesson today is gotta wait for the double test. Double test here. Let's see. Double test here. Right, push down, but double test here before it really pushes down. It does hit the bottom of trading range eventually. So now the idea that this is bullish is no longer there because we hit the bottom trading range. Unfortunate, right? I had a good setup. I was in a good trade, and it just couldn't get there on the first try. It's always the second try after it takes you a break even. That just tells you today's going to be choppy, right? When it needs to do that, like that means the liquidity is not enough to get down here. It has to grab more liquidity before pushing down again. This shows that this day is actually diabolical. Absolutely wild. Just sitting on my pause here, I'm not exactly sure what's happening here. It looks bearish all of a sudden. Looks very bearish all of a sudden. Some follow through on the bear bar on the 5-minute chart now. I mean, it can bounce here, obviously. You can find support here, every pivot low. You can obviously find support here. Obviously break through as well, lower highs. Not lower lows. Big push down. I wanted a piece of it, couldn't get it. It took me out break even. So diabolical right now, this price action. I mean, is this gonna fly up here? I don't know. I don't know what's happening. We're gonna fly back up. Did we just expand our trading range here? Or before the trading range finally breaks out, it does this like kind of bam bam. Breaks the trading range initially for the first time, and then the second break of the trading range is actually the break. Feels like too long. Too scary to try because of how diabolical the price action has been. Does give you a little scalp here. Gets folded immediately. But of course, I'm not in the trade, so it's not going to take you out break even here. Okay, takes you out break even, so regardless. Takes you out break even. We're going to try here now. Because after it takes you out break even, it always does the move you want it to move. You want it to do. Only after it takes you out break even. So it takes you out break even here, then it makes the move. Golly. No follow through on this bear bar, any on its low. My best bet is a fail second entry long on the 2500 tick. Essentially, got this big down, big up. It looks a little wacky, to be honest. Big down, big up, and it's happening in a way it's like weird, to be honest. Really weird looking chart. All good. What ended up happening is a 5-minute, like I said, the open, the 20 EMA, they all acted as resistance. Then we're bouncing off of with a strong bear bar here. We actually have follow through now, but it's happened in a way where it's just diabolical. Absolutely insane here. This should be a second entry short on what's happening. Yeah, second entry short. I mean, I could try, but I mean, look at this bull bar. Ooh, 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 doji bar. That's a little diabolical. Doesn't quite get there though. Second attempt to push down. Second attempt might be better. Who knows at this point? I think I'm gonna wait for my setup, which is a fail second entry long on the 2500 tick. Golly, that's diabolical right there. Don't quite get there. All right, I'll try this. What in the world is happening here? This is wild. This is really wild. Alright, I missed it. I was thinking about going short, but this price action's crazy. Wow, I don't know what to say. Other than just wow. I was waiting for my setup, which is a failed second entry long on the 2500. We actually create a micro double top, so missed triggering it by one single tick. Which I would have gone short there. But instead, it gives me a micro double top. And so I'm just here sitting on my pause. Wow, it might give it to us now. But now we got like 5 overlapping bars in a row, which just makes this more difficult, obviously. Just sitting on my pause. I don't mind missing it. I don't mind missing the move. I don't know. I don't think there's going to be any moves, to be honest, because how choppy we are currently. 2 strong bull bars in a row. Could trigger our second entry long, so we can get a failure. If it doesn't, that's diabolical. It missed it again. Absolutely silly here. Missed it again on that push up. Again, sitting on my pause here. I don't mind missing this move. I'd rather just be patient. Substance Abuse Sex says, Panda, resetting blown TPT funded accounts makes sense for some people, no? I only hear the side that says it's so stupid, just pass another email. Yeah, for me, time is money. Like, to me, if I can make more money than the reset fee, if I reset, I have a high chance of making more money. Like, knowing my trading, I have a very high probability that I will be able to make the money back from the blown or for resetting the funded account. It's no problem to me. Oh, golly, what are we doing here? We do trigger the second entry long, and we could get a failure here. Maybe, but the risk is just incredible here. It's an insane amount of risk for a okay setup, I guess. We got like 5 overlapping bars in a row. It can just fold on me right here and just rip my face off. Sure, why not? I mean, my proper risk is like so far away. My gosh. My goodness. Yep. I mean, I guess we'll try here. Another push down. Otherwise, we'll just take the hit. Okay. Strong bear bar ending on its low. Are you gonna be diabolical? Are you gonna be diabolical on me? One time. Decent push down. Give me strong bear bar ending on its low. I would love that. Without getting folded here. It is a bear bar. Sooner or later, something's gonna trigger this. Okay. Decent push down. I wanted to hit the previous day's low, which felt like an obvious key area here to me. Very obvious key area. We might not hit it. It may reverse on me before hitting it. Yeah, it looks like it's going to reverse on me. It's been very diabolical these days. Okay, it does hit it. I'll take on the next reversal after. Huh? I'll just take on the next reversal after it hits my key area. Just in case it does, for some reason, want to break through it. Like a madman. Golly, alright. Fair enough. I mean, how many points was that? 22-point move. I'll take it. 3 contracts, whatever. We're pretty much break even today. I mean, what can you do about it? Pretty much break even today. like what we're doing here is now we're at the 50% mark, right? So we had this big push down, big push up. Now we retrace 50% here, and we're kind of bouncing up that 50% mark, which happens to also be the previous day's low. So we got like double support there in terms of price action. So that's why I took it out on the very first reversal after hitting the key area, because of potentially this coming all the way back up. Like it can just come all the way back up to here, to the upper 50%. A lot of things can happen here. Who knows? I think I got max from that trade, right? Gave myself some room to maybe breathe, to maybe have another really strong push down, but just in case it doesn't happen, I came out the first reversal, and I think we managed that well. But economically, right? Substance abuse tech. If you do another eval, you will have to pass the eval within like 12, around 13 times. I mean, it depends on what size you get, but 13
2,500
times.
tick trap.
Which is like fair, right? Like most likely you'll pass the eval after 13 attempts.
2,500 tick trap.
Maybe not. Who knows? But again, another retracement back to break even and then pushes down in the original direction. So diabolical every single time it's been doing it. You just cannot swing here. Cannot swing today. Yeah, the reset for the 150K counts is unbelievably $1,500. It's unbelievably $1,500. I know it sounds like a lot. But when you can trade 15 contracts and you can make $10,000 just like that, it makes sense to me. You're paying $1,500 for a chance to make $10,000. And it's not even that hard to make $10,000. 50K reset is 650. Yep. We're at a couple areas of support here. I'm not really sure if I want to just go short right here. Seeing how choppy we've been, a second inch short here. I mean, maybe that makes me not want to go short. Huge bull bar. I mean, technically it's balancing off our area here. I'd rather take a fail second inch short. I'd really rather take a fail second inch short for like a really strong push up. I feel like that's a better play here. Fail second inch short. Now we're above the 20 MA. It's really your only option at this point. Good looking signal bar. Okay looking signal bar. The main issue of this one is obviously the trend line can be blocking you here. Try 2 contracts for the sake of a runner. What? Okay. It still hasn't triggered. How funny is that? That's funny to me. You are saved by 1 tick. If you went short here and your stop loss was 1 tick above this pivot high, you got saved by a tick right there. Golly. There's a push down. All right, fair enough. We're still in Trap City here. We're actually still in Trap City. It's kind of diabolical, to be honest. We're still in Trap City. It's kind of crazy. All right. Strong bear binding on low. Okay, all right. Fair enough. Fair enough. I don't know. That's a hard one to take for me. That was tricky. Look at that, though. It tried to reverse. You got saved by the tick. Saved by the tick right there. Not saved by the bell, but saved by the tick. By the way, use code BBM TPT. 40% off, no activation fee. It's actually a really good deal. If you think about it, the 50K accounts, even though you might be paying more upfront in terms of the eval, because you don't pay an activation fee, is actually cheaper than Apex 90% off. It's actually an incredible deal. Highly recommend TPT. If you never traded TPT, right now we're trading TPT funded accounts. If you never traded TPT before, I would highly recommend to try. Give it a shot. If you're like fatigued with Apex and, for me, it's a nice change of pace. If you're fatigued with Apex with all its rules and everything, TPT is a breath of fresh air because there's absolutely no consistency rules when it comes to funded accounts. You can do daily payouts. Daily payouts with TPT. But the first goal with TPT is to get to 4,500. So when we get these accounts up to 4,500, then we can do daily payouts, essentially. Which is nice, right? I think it's pretty nice. Okay. Sean Bear Bar, absolute fall. There gets folded. This price action is just crazy to me. Look at the 25-hour tick chart. Look how this looks like. It's so choppy. It's just very difficult to trade in my opinion. 5 minute. Surprisingly, actually, this is one leg down. Kind of crazy actually. We had one leg down, one leg up, one leg down. Like this. It's technically the second leg down. If you count this push down as one. If you count this drop as one leg, this is actually second leg down. Wow, what is this? I cannot. I don't know what's happening here. It's completely overlapping bars. I'm just sitting on my pause. But there are no wicks here. That's the weird looking thing about this chart. There's no wicks, but they're completely overlapping. All right, what's going on here? No clue. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 overlapping bars in a row now. We're not doing too shabby here. We're basically break even today. I lost a little bit in threshold, but it's all good. First entry here.
2,500 tick trap.
I mean, it's going down. What can I say? It is going down in a very calculated way. I don't know.
2,500 tick trap.
When you see this nonsense, you're thinking trading range. Very small trading range. Jeez. Untradeable. It's looking less. Looks like the EV is getting sapped out of the market as time goes on. Second just short. I don't know. It's just too many overlapping bars. I just, I don't know. I could try, but it's gonna be ugly. It's gonna be real ugly. The main reason just because there's a trend line here. We're going double trend line. Trend line 20 EMA. That's funny. It's pretty funny. Like I said. I just don't like anything here. Got 5,000 overlapping bars in a row. Golly. The more this day develops, the less EV I see. The choppier it's getting, the less volatility there is. It's just not good conditions to trade. The more I see this, the more it develops. Most likely wants to retrace deep. Most likely wants to have a deep retracement here. Go to the top of the trend line. Let's see if we can get a play off the this chop here. Hopefully. Okay, gets folded. Just like every trade I'm taking, even with like the trading range, it's just breaking out. Like everything I'm doing, it's like breaking out the other way. Like just strong breakouts. Even though I'm trying to trade trading ranges, like breaking out the trading range. It's absolutely insane. Want to push? Want to push? Okay. Just not feeling confident at all. Anything today? This is dumb. This is really dumb. Jumbo branding is high. Fair enough. Failed trap. I'm going to try to go back to the bottom of the trading range here. I'm going to try. Thoughts and prayers. Most likely get eaten up here.
2500 tick
Most
trap.
likely get eaten up here. Let's see though. Failed trap. Gets absolutely diabolical. Golly, that's crazy. It is what it is though, right? It's the name of the game today. It is what it is. If it pushes down again, I'll try, but golly. Probably better off coming out break even in this chop.
2500 tick trap.
Probably better coming out break even in this chop. It's all good. This is probably the best setup I've had. You know, trading range, come back into trading range. Failed trap to break out, and gives me a attempt to come back down here into this trading range. It's probably the best thing I have right now, but it probably gets stopped out here. Yeah. All good. Golly. All right. Diabolical. It is what it is. I'll take the hit, whatever. Whoo! This is rough. This is rough. Look at that chop. Oh, good. I wanted to come back into the trading range, which made sense to me. And every time a trading range forms, I'm trying to get into it, and it's just breaking out every time I try, which is unfortunate. I don't know. I mean, I could have managed this in a way where I at least come out break even. But I was being aggressive. I want to get back to the bottom of the trading range. Maybe that's my issue here. I think I got to rest here. I don't know if I'm gonna take any more trades. The market, I could tell, I could feel it. The EV is just getting sapped out of it because it's so diabolical right now. 2500 tick chart will tell you everything you need to know about today. It's absolutely just diabolical.
2500 tick trap.
Come back to the bottom of the trading range now, maybe. So funny. Maybe now. It's creating its own trading range up here now. Trading ranges on top of trading ranges on top of trading ranges. Trying to think. What should we do here? Failed like a second to short. We can get it, but it looks like it's hard, having a hard time even pushing up to the previous candle's high. Giving us some signs of bearishness here. I don't know. Okay, bear bar ending on its low. A little bit of follow through. Okay, big follow through here. Yep. Of course. Of course. Of course. Comes back to the bottom trading range. After it. I tried here. It took me out here, and this was an attempt down. That finally gets you to the bottom of the trading range, which is what I wanted in the first place. Of course. And the moment I tried to just to go like short here, it's gonna blast off, isn't it? Like really blast off. All right, maybe this is a triple bottom of some sort. I'm trying to trade this trading range, and my stop loss is just too short, too small of a stop loss. Like 20-point stop loss, pff, you need at least 40, at least a 40-point stop loss to be able to trade this range correctly here. The 2500 tick chart will tell you everything you need to know about today, how diabolical it is. The 5-minute also, now we're getting super overlapping. And the thing is, I am trying to trade the trading range. I'm trying to go short up here on a failed trap, and I try to go short, and it didn't work out. That's the thing. I'm trying to trade the trading ranges. I guess I'm just not. I'm not taking the proper amount of risk here. I need to have at least like one. I need to have at least 1 or 2 scale-ins, I think, to properly trade this, because it's so diabolical right now. And this could just fly back up right now. Golly. All right. It's just being crazy here. Gets a little push down and pushes right back up. Mm-hmm. Okay. 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 I don't know. I don't know. It doesn't make sense to go long here. It really doesn't. Just because the fact we've been in trading range for so long, it can snap back down. Day trader, crazy, saying the exact same thing. Just I don't know. I don't know what's happening. It's too crazy. There's no like the only way to trade this is limit orders at the top, and willing to scale in a massive amount. Strong bull bar ending on its high on the 2500 tick chart. Is just going to be the beginning of coming back to the top of the trading range here, the really big trading range on the 2500 tick chart. Or snaps back down. Down TPT 1K and up 200 on my Apex. Hey, I'll take it. Apex, 20 accounts. Man, it's just too good. It's just too good. You know what I mean, Pandas? It's just too good. 20 accounts in Apex. Like one payout, I got 55,000. I have several max payouts this year. I'm up $250,000 this year already. And the year is not even done yet. Like Pandas, we're not done. Trust me. On the next promo, which hopefully it'll be soon. Hopefully it'll be before Black Friday. Hopefully. But if it's not, then I'm fine waiting. I need a good promo here. We're gonna buy evals to the T's. You know what I mean? To the T's. That bull bar is having some follow through on the 2500 tick chart. The 5-minute, no multiple bull bars in a row. Clearly we have not closed above the 20 MA yet today. Are we gonna do it this time? Perhaps, but we gotta let the candle finish. With how choppy we've been, you can really almost get away with anything today if you have enough wide enough stop. If anything, today is just really tricky, really diabolical, in my opinion. Another strong bull bar on the 25 tick chart. This time it's turning always in long. Will it stay always in long? Right, you know it's always in long because the moment the bar closed, it got bought up. Retracing now, so is it still always in long? Who knows? Second entry long. It's floating in midair like that. Deep retracement here. Terrible signal bar. Right, it's a 5-minute closing above the 20 MA. We'll find out soon. About 10 seconds. Nope. Closes beneath the 20 MA here. Not saying it's not bullish. It's just we need a little more evidence. My goal is to lose every trade today. That's my goal. I'm about to do everything opposite today. I'm about to start doing everything opposite. Golly! 20 MA or two-legged pullback floating midair. Just small little baby risks on these trades now. Big push down. All right, the 5-minute failed to close above 20 minutes. Now we're having a big push down because of that. Can't even mark the chart like this. It's like a weird expanding pattern like this right now. It's like a megaphone. Whew. What's happening here? My chart froze. Whoa. My market data just froze here, man. That's what's going on. What just happened? Hmm. Interesting. Not sure what's happening here. I think something happened. Something must have happened. 1 second. How's this possible? 1 second. What? Okay. I don't know what's happening. We're not getting any data here. Hmm. Weird. Not sure what's happening here, pandas. I'm just not getting data. It's crazy because I have. What in the world is going on? I'm so confused. I don't know. Is everyone? Can you guys see? Do you guys have data? Like, I'm not getting anything. And the thing is, it's populating after I reload historical, so it's there, but I don't know what's happening here. I guess that's my cue to stop. You have with rhythmic? Not sure what's happening here. Yeah, it could be. Sign to log off. All right, Pandas. I think we're gonna end it today. I don't know what's happening. I'm not getting any data right now. Pandas. I don't know. Maybe I lost too many trades in a row or something. They just kind of like halted my trading. Not sure. Pandas. I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow. Hopefully by then this will be fixed. Not sure what's going on. But Pandas, hope you had an amazing day, and I'll see you guys then. So as always, happy trading, guys. Bye.